Alright, in this video today, I'm going to take you guys how you're going to create your own investment website using this script. Well, you have seen the script for a very long time. This is Hyiplab, the latest version, which is version 5.4.1. So I have this script with me. Everything is working perfect. Let me just take you guys to the front end. Here is the front end. You can see as everything is working perfect. Okay. So it's something that you can just get a script and then go straight to install it and edit it how you want it to be, the site name, the logo, and the investment plans. And it has a lot of features. So let me take you guys back to the admin panel. Here you can see this is a system configuration where you can be able to activate your user registration and then registration bonuses, balance transfer, and then promotional tools, withdraw on holiday, which if you want your users or people that are any from the site to withdraw on the within weekend, you should not withdraw or they should withdraw, so you can be able to activate it there. And then you can see agree policy for secure password, and then KYC verification, and then email verification and mail notification with mobile verification, SMS notification, and then push notification and language options. You can also set your language options. You can even disable it. User ranking, so you can be able to rank users as well. And then it has pool and staking. These are the three features that I literally love about the script. You can also stake. You can also do pool. Okay, to enable this module allows users to stake their investments. Without enabling it, users will be unable to participate in staking. So users cannot be able to participate in staking if you disable this feature. Okay, and then it has a pool, which if you enable it, users can be able to participate in investment in pool as well. So you can see how it is. Let me, like, more features has been added. This is the latest version. Have this general setting, logo and favicon, and then system configuration, user ranking, and then manage referral. You can also manage your referrals. You can manage it, can add more of it, you can generate it, you can generate more. You can see deposit commission, investment commissions. You can generate more and more how you want it to be. You can generate, add it. You can see. Okay. So these are the levels where users can be able to get their commissions from referrals. So you can also set your investment plans, manage templates. It has different kind of templates. You can set your payment methods, manage front end, manage pages, language, social login settings, KYC, SEO. It has optimization search engine optimization. So you can see here, you can configure it, you can set it, and then maintenance mode. You can see custom CSS. For those who are very good in CSS, you can be able to customize your own how you want it to be. You can also do that. So I'm trying to explain this thing so that you guys should see the features, and you can go ahead to register as well. You can see registration here. So click on user, and on registration here, you can also set your API keys of Google with login with Google, and then login with Facebook, login with LinkedIn also. So let's click on register. So you can also log in with these features as well. Sorry, you can create account with these features. So I'm going to add the password here, then agree. Once you agree, then register. Click on register. Okay, so you can be able to input your data, the username. You can put your details. Username will be like Lost Tech, and then the country, phone number. You can use any phone number, and then state, and then submit. So right here you can be able to see your dashboard as user. Okay, so you can see please allow /reset browser notification empty balance, so you can be able to deposit, and then two factors verification authentication. Okay, so that is it. It has a lot of features. So right now here I'm going to take you guys really how you're going to, if you might have get the script or you can get the script, you can contact me. I'm going to drop my number in the description below so that you can contact me, get the scripts, and if you have any problem you can contact me as well. Any kind of script you need, you can contact me. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for watching, and for those who are coming new, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lawrence. I create videos how to make money online and some tech tips. So here I've logged into the CPanel. I've created a subdomain for this particular, for the sake of this video. So I'm going to click on my domains. Where's the domains? Okay, click on the domains. So I'm going to click on the files. So right now here I'm going to delete this. So I want to do everything afresh so that you guys should understand. So I'm deleting everything. I'm going to delete this. So I'll delete it. And then once I delete it, let's load the site and see if the site can go through. So it's not going through because I've deleted the files, right? So let me load the site. So nothing is there. So right now here I'm going to start everything from afresh. So if you might have get the scripts, once you get the scripts, you can click on upload here, and then select, then this is the script, and then click open, so you upload it. So as far as I've already have the scripts on my CPanel already on my domain root, I'm going to go ahead and extract these files. I'm going to extract it. It's extracting. So after it finished extracting, done, right? So let me refresh it. So you come to your domain here. Once you come to your domain, then you should be /install. Okay, should be install. I want to take this away. At times you can see this panel will be delaying. Okay, right now here I have to go inside and then select all and then move it back to the main domain roots. Okay, move it back to the main domain roots and then click back. So let's click this. Let's load the site again. So now it has loaded. So now you can continue ahead. You can go ahead to do the installation. Click next step, and then you have to go back to your CPanel to create your database and your user database. Okay, so you click on manage my database. Once you click on manage my database, because I'm doing this for the sake of this video, I'm going to delete the previous one I've make use of it. So that's done. I've deleted it. Then let me go down again. I will delete this current user. I'm deleting it. Delete user. Go back. So as far as I'm doing it for the sake of this video, I'm going to say test. This is the, I'm going to create the database, create new database, which is test. So done. So now we're going back to create our new user. So I always want it to be same so that it won't confuse me. Sorry, test. Type in test, and then password generate. You need to generate the password, and we'll come back here, paste the password here, make sure it's correct, please. If you mess with it, your site will not go through, to not even connect. So use the password, and then go ahead to create user. Okay, so once you go ahead to create user, it's been done. And again, I think you guys are familiar with this one. These are the things you need to do while you're connecting your database. It's normal, you have to do it. You click here on test, change this one to test 2, and then add it together. You need to add it together. You need to add it all privileges. Copy this first, all privileges, and make changes. Once you click on make changes, come back to where you're installing it. They're asking our database host. This should be localhost, and then paste your database there and the user name there, and then make sure you're going to set your admin logins and the password with the email, any email you want, and then hit install now. So it's loading. You can see your system has been installed successfully. So right now here we're going to check this if it's work. Okay, so I will take you guys back to the Google. I'll take you to incognito mode so that we try this. So all right, so it shows success. Your system has been installed successfully. So right now, let me just click on, let's open into in new tab. Okay, so let's see what we got. All right, it's done. Okay, so I'm going to log into the admin. I want to log into the admin dashboard right now. I'm going to duplicate this. So I'm going to duplicate it. Okay, it should be slash admin. Okay, it will open. So let me refresh this. I want to refresh this. Click on test and then click on admin. So I need to change this admin login details code. So just click on edit and then you change this. Put the password one. And then don't forget to do this. You go down and then you go down and then you see password hash. Click on password hash and then the admin should be admin. Okay, should be admin. So the password is 120 okay, and then click on go. So perfectly done. So right now here, you copy this, copy it, paste it here, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then we'll log in. So finally it has login. So you can see now the installation is finally done. So at this point of time, you can be able to go back and add your cron job. You can copy it here. You can copy the link here and add your cron job. Once p 5 to 10 minutes is ideal. Why once every minute is the best option. Okay, so you can be able to add it so that your investment can be growing like based on how you set your investment plan, so that everything will be working perfect. So that is it. Be able to get it. So if you need the script, you can just contact me. I'm going to drop my number in the description below. Contact me so that you can be able to get a script and then follow this video how I did everything, and you can be able to install the script. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another video. So any kind of video, any kind of script you need, you can contact me. I have online banking website. I have trading, forex trading, and then binary trading, and then forex trading like any stock exchange, stock like P2P in trading script, you can also contact me, get any kind of script. So you contact me, you can be able to get it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. And don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like my video, share it to your loved ones. Thank you guys for watching.